Question 10. So figure 4 shows a sketch of the curve C with parametric equation x equal to t plus 3 squared and y equal to 1 minus t cubed, where t is between -2 and 1. So point P with coordinates 4, 2 lies on C, and using parametric differentiation to show that the tangent to C at P has equation 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Okay, so first we just differentiate dy over dx just equal to dy over dt divided by dx over dt. And then dy over dt, 1 differentiate to 0, negative t cubed will be negative 3t squared, just bring down the power, minus 1 the power. And then for the x, that would be bring down the power, minus 1 the power, so just the power 1. And then since t plus 3 is a linear expression, so the coefficient of t is 1, so you don't need to times that, because times 1 just stay the same. Okay, and now we have our dy over dx, but we don't know what the value of t. So we need to work out value of t first, then substitute in. So we can either let t plus 3 squared equal to 4, or we can let 1 minus t cubed equal to 2. It doesn't really matter, but I think the second one is easier. So I will just let 1 minus t cubed, the y value, equal to 2. So the first one is x, second one is y. Yeah, that's why I let 1 minus t cubed equal to 2. So then t cubed is equal to plus t cubed for both sides and minus 2 for both sides. We have t cubed is -1. So cube root of -1, that's just -1. So then substitute in. So dy over dx when t equals to -1 is just equal to -3 times -1 squared, just 1. So just -3 on top. And then 2 times by -1 plus 3 is 2, so 2 times 2 is 4. So just -3 over 4. That would be the gradient. And now we know the gradient. So the equation is just -3 over 4 equal to y minus 2 over x minus 4. That's just the way I normally do it. But if you want to do y equal to mx, method is also fine. Or if you want to do something like difference of x times gradient equal to difference of y, that's also fine. This doesn't really matter. You can use any method you want. Yeah. So it's just when I write in this form, I can just cross multiply to make it simpler. So I will put the negative on top. So -3 times this would be -3x plus 12. And then 4 times by y minus 2, that would be 4y minus 8. And then plus 3x for both sides. So 3x plus 4y equal to plus 8 for both sides is equal to 20. So that would be 3x plus 4y equal to 20, which is what they want us to show. And then for part B, it says curve C is used to model the profile of a slide at a water park. Units are in meters, and y being the height of the slide above the water level. So part B, find according to the model the greatest height of the slide above the water level. So if we want to work out the greatest height, we look at the y value because that's what the y means, the height of the slide above the water level. So, and then we know t is between -2 and 1. So we just have to work out what's the largest possible y value. So y is equal to 1 minus t cubed. So for cubic diagram, it's very simple. So to find a range, we always sketch them out first. It's easier. Yeah. So we know a positive cube. So t cube should be look like this. And the negative t cube has to be the other way around. And then if it's +1, we just literally move up by 1. So that would be something look like this. So this would be 1. And then t is between -2 and 1. So this is -2. Let's say this is somewhere like 1. So then the actual diagram for y equal to 1 minus t cubed will just be something like this. Yeah. So that's the actual diagram. So we just have to plug in what the t equal to -2 is. So clearly, when t equal to -2, y is the largest possible value. So if we plug in y equal to 1 minus negative 2 cubed, which is 1 minus negative 8, which is positive 9. So 9 meters, that would be the greatest height. You don't have to sketch them out because this one is quite simple. Yeah, it's only 1 mark. And just join this to show you how to actually find the range for the parametric equation. Yeah. So for all the finding the range question is the easiest way. Just sketch out the diagram to see what's the largest possible y value, which is the smallest possible y value. So clearly, this is a one-to-one decreasing function. When t equal to negative 2, that'll give us the maximum. That's all.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can leave some comment. And then if you find the video helpful, please like it and subscribe it. May the A star be with you.